This is Mamuni. Thank you so much for being Amar Baba Ma. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Waiting for your income tax refund? Why not? After all, it's your hard earned money. In this video, I am going to discuss all the factors cause a delayed income tax refund. So let's get started. Please note, your job does not end only with filing your income tax return or ITR. E-verification is an important part of ITR filing. Without verifying your ITR, the income tax department will not start processing your refund. It is mandatory or compulsory to verify your return within 30 days after filing. And please remember, an ITR is considered invalid unless it's e-verified within 30 days from income tax return filing. This is very important. Please note, if your return is found defective, the income tax department will send you a defective notice under section 139(9) of the Income Tax Act via an email on your registered email ID or by post, and the same can be viewed by logging in on the e-filing portal. Now you must be wondering how many days it takes to get income tax refund after filing income tax return or ITR. Well, income tax refund to be deposited in your bank account usually takes 4 to 5 weeks or 15 to 45 days after e-verification date. Now, those who did not get the income tax refund, let me tell you what are the factors cause a delayed income tax refund. Number 1, 7.5% increase in income tax return filing. Even as there were several requests by the tax professionals, taxpayers, business, company to extend the due date, the government did not do so and witnessed over 7.28 crore ITRs being filed for financial year 2023-24 and assessment year 2024-25 till 31st July 2024. This year, a number of ITR filed soared by a 7.5% increase compared to the 6.77 crore returns filed for financial year 2022-23 according to a Ministry of Finance. As a result of the huge amount of filing being done at that time, your income tax refund may be delayed. Number 2, ITR 1, ITR 2, ITR 3 and ITR 4. Please remember, if you have filed ITR 2 or ITR 3 for the financial year 2023-24 and for assessment year 2024-25, there is a good chance that you may not got your tax refund yet, right? ITR 2 generally takes around 20 to 45 days, although it can sometimes be slightly longer due to the more detailed information required because ITR 2 includes capital gains which require more verification and scrutiny. And ITR 3 also takes around 30 to 60 days as ITR 3 involves more complex data including business income or profession income which requires more thorough scrutiny. Whereas in ITR 1 or in Sahaj, the process is typically straightforward and simple. In previous years, taxpayers who submitted their returns solely based on Form 16 had their returns processed in less than 10 days and their refunds received within 15 days. Generally, it is observed that simpler forms like ITR 1 and ITR 4 are processed more quickly as compared to complex forms like ITR 2 and ITR 3. Understood? By the way, did you know what is income tax refund? Let me tell you, when you have paid more taxes than you were required to pay by way of TDS, TCS, or advance tax, you get the additional amount paid as an income tax refund. It's just like receiving a refund for overpaying. Number 3, 26 AS, AIS, and TIS. One of the main reasons contributing to delayed refund is a mismatch in TDS. The TDS you mentioned while filing your taxes does not match the amount shown in Form 26 AS, AIS, and TIS. Please remember the Income Tax Department, while completing the ITR process, consults Forms 26 AS, AIS, and TIS to make sure all tax credits and deductions are included and matched. If the ITR does not show the same amount, the Income Tax Department seeks clarification. So, no income tax refund can be issued until everything matches in Income Tax Department records. Number 4. Wrong bank details. As we know, income tax refund are being received through ECS, that is Electronic Clearing System. So, if you have mentioned the wrong bank details while filing your ITR or income tax return, the income tax refund will not be credited into your bank account. So, you will need to update the bank details with Income Tax Department. Number 5. Not verifying ITR online. If you are not tax savvy and still prefer the conventional method of verifying your return by post, it can surely add more days to the process. Hence, a delayed income tax refund. Number 6. Making false claims. If you have mentioned anything that is not true, can lead to a delay in your income tax refund, like claiming higher deductions and disclosing lower income. Number 7. No delayed response to notice. Income Tax Department issues notices to taxpayers of India many times seeking clarifications. Delayed response or no response to any notice received from the Income Tax Department can further add more time in receiving your income tax refund. Number 8. Filing incomplete ITR or income tax return. If you leave an incomplete ITR while filing ITR, it means important information is omitted to report in the income tax return or ITR. Hence, a delayed income tax refund. Number 9. Choosing the wrong ITR form. If you choose the wrong ITR form, for example, if you have chosen ITR 1 form instead of ITR 3 form while ITR filing, it is a defective ITR because a defective return under section 139(9) of the Income Tax Act has errors or omissions that need correction. So, how can you receive income tax refund in your bank account? Rather, you can file a revised return in case if you have mistakenly used an incorrect ITR form. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your precious time. I sincerely hope this was helpful.